Have you ever thought what is the value of your life? If not, then today I'm going to share a small story which will tell you how much your life actually worth. Once a kid asked his father, "Dad, what is the value of my life?" The dad was surprised by the question as he was very young for these kind of questions. But to teach him nicely so that he understand it better, he decided to answer in a different way. He said, "If you really want to know what's the worth of your life, then I'm going to give you this stone. You have to go to a market and try to sell it. But there is one condition. Whenever someone will ask for the price, you're not supposed to say anything. Just raise your two fingers. Remember this? You're not supposed to say anything. You just have to raise your two fingers." The kid was surprised by the answer, but he went to the market and sat there for a few minutes. After waiting for some time, an old lady came by and asked for the price of the store. But as his dad asked him, he did the same. He did not say anything and raised his two fingers. The lady said, 200 rupees? That's fine, I'll buy it for 200 rupees. The kid was shocked to hear and started thinking, how can somebody give me 200 rupees for a stone? You can get stone anywhere. Why would anyone willing to pay any price for the stone? He happily went back to his home without selling the stone and told the entire thing to his dad. The dad was expecting this, and now he said, "Son, now you have to go to a museum, and if someone asks for a price, don't say anything. Just raise your two fingers, just like what you did in the market." The boy went to the museum this time, and there a man noticed this stone in its hand and started inquiring about it. He asked, "What's the price of this?" The kid did not say anything and kept quiet but raised his two fingers. The man looked at his two fingers and said, 20,000 rupees? That's fine, I'll pay you 20,000 rupees and we'll buy it. The boy again got shocked and went back to his dad without selling it. The kid explained everything again to his dad, how somebody was giving him 20,000 rupees for this stone. The father acted very normally and said, "Now I'm gonna send you to the last place, but you have to do the same thing there as well. Do not say anything, and if someone asks for a price, just raise your two fingers." This time, he was supposed to go to a famous antique store in the town. The moment he entered into the store owner saw the stone in his hand and quickly came on the other side and took the stone from this kid's hand and said, "Oh my God, I spent my whole life in the search of this stone. Where did you find this stone? And what's the price? How much you are expecting for this stone?" The kid did not say anything. He just raised his two fingers. The old man said, "How much? 2 lakh rupees? Are you sure? That's okay. I'll pay you 2 lakh rupees and will buy it from you now." The kid could not believe all this. He took the stone back and went back to his dad. He said, "This old man was offering me 2 lakh rupees for this stone." Then the father hugged him and said, "Son, did you understand the value of your life now? Your life's value depends on where do you place yourself. It's you who has to decide if you want to be a stone of 200 rupees or 2 lakh rupees. There will be many people in life who will love you unconditionally, and you will be everything for them. And there will also be people who will use you like things and will never understand your value. So it is always in your hand to decide what's your value. I hope this story will make you think about your value as well. And I like to leave you with a quote that I wrote some time back. Your attitude behavior and thoughts determines your value. Your attitudes, behavior and thoughts determine your value. So it is up to you. You can be priceless or priceless. Thank you so much. I hope you like it. Please do share it with your friends.